अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पीपीएससी इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 25/8/2024 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। हाउ मैनी मेंबर्स आर देयर इन यूएनओ यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? 193। यूएनओ फाउंडेड October 24, 1940, San Francisco, California, United States. Total UN member are 193. Who translated Holy Quran the first time in Persian? Shah Waliullah. The Arab League was established in 22 March 1945. Regional organization in the Arab world. Headquarters located in Cairo, Egypt. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. What is the basic unit of the animal and human body? Cell. Who is the founder of the Nishat brand? Naz Mansha. The first Urdu newspaper was issued from which country? Calcutta. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. The Orange Revolution, a series of protests and political events, took place in which of the country? Ukraine. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave 14 points, 1929. The male reproductive part of the flower is called stamen. An Excel workbook is a collection of worksheets and charts. Politics and the State in Pakistan book written by Muhammad Wasim. Who invented bulb? Edison. The lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between the Sun and the Moon. K2 was discovered and measured by Godwin Eston in which of the following year? 1856. The antonym of blooming is finding. Dural line is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Silk Road Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan with China. Marco Polo was a famous traveler. What is the area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? 10,01,741 square kilometer. Which type of vitamin is used for human body through sun? Vitamin D. Who among the following person is called desert fox? Irvin Rommel. What is the standard file format for PowerPoint presentations? PPT. What is the default file format for Excel spreadsheets? XLSX. What is the height of hurdles used in the 110-meter hurdles race? 1.067 meters. Microsoft is the largest company in which industry? Software. Which organization has actively campaigned for the ban on nuclear weapons? ICAN. What is the one-word substitution for a person who loves books? Bibliophile. Which of the following is an example of magnetic material? Iron. Which logic unit give zero output if all inputs are 1? NOR. Which of the following is the unit of length? Meter. What is a synonym for ring? Accuse. What does the idiom at sea mean? to be lost or confused. Who was the leader of Muslim in the Battle of Badr? Jange Qayasa. Muhammad, peace be upon him. What does EEPROM stands for? Electrical Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Who discovered the microscope? Zacharias Janssen. China nuclear heat generation is how many times hotter than the sun's heat? 5 times. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Lord Curzon. NAFTA was signed by which of the following countries? Canada, Mexico and United States. If the Suhail salary is 10% more than Sajjad's salary, then what will be the Sajjad's salary? 91/11%. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 97 and the squares of their difference is 25. The product of the two numbers is 36. What is the area of a rectangle with a length of 7 cm and a width of 2 cm? 40 cm square. 24 workers working 7 hours a day produce 4,000 units in 30 days. In how many days 30 workers working 8 hours a day will produce 3,500 units? 21 days. How many sports were included in the 2020 Summer Olympics? 33. In Excel, what is the function of the F11 key? Toggle full screen mode on off. What is the Nishat group known for? Textile and energy. Tilla Jogian is located in which geographical region? Pathuhar Plateau. In 1907, Muslim Mulk served as the secretary of which organization? All India Muslim League. What does the RSS stands for? Rashtriya Swaming Svik Sangh. Naya Azad is what type of magazine? Urdu literary magazine. If 28,800 is the actual, what will be the price after a 20% discount? 23,040. What is the primary use of the page down key on a keyboard? Scroll down one page in a document. The founder of Zimidar newspaper was Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The most advanced form of ROM is EEPROM. Which protein factory for RNA? Ribosomes. Synonyms of glacier is horrible. Who is the founder of Google? Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Sabbath and Rifa are associated with which prophet? Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. In which battle did the Muslims sleep? Ghazwa Uhud. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.